Guys, today I got another video for this channel, man. Today we're gonna be working on this vehicle. You can see the front bumper, it got in the wreck, it got damaged, so we're gonna be replacing that. And also the rear bumper all as well. I've already taken that one out. That one's right here, it's already damaged all as well. That one's also broken all as well. Changing that on these Toyota Corolla. So guys, just follow me this journey. It's gonna be super simple. We're gonna be painting the bumper, we're gonna put everything back together. So it's gonna be super easy, super straightforward, easy, simple. You can see that, right guys? This to take out bolts, to take out all this, to take out, and you go right there. There's a bolt holding the bad one. We take that one out and everything should come right off because there's nothing else holding it, guys. So after that, then we're gonna put in the new one. We just painted, we're gonna put it on it. So guys, just follow me. Super simple, straightforward, guys. So you can see, you can see that just natural black, brand new. So we're doing today, we're gonna be painting them, right? But before we paint them, you can see we're gonna be using addition promoters in order to paint these bumpers, these two bumpers. We gotta paint them this morning. The weather is around 30 degrees this morning, so it's not that too cold, so we're gonna be painting them, right? But first and foremost, so guys, in order to prep this bumper, so I'm gonna be using 3000 grade of sandpaper to actually sand it down so the paper, the paint actually stays on it. And also I'll be using this addition promoter. You can see this, guys. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna sand this down just a little bit. In other words, when I do this, the paint will maybe actually stick on the bumper itself, because these are raw plastic, just a black plastic. So if you don't do this, the paint for long it's not gonna last forever. So guys, just follow me. So guys, after I signed it with 3000 grade, right now I just want to use a fiber cloth just to wipe it down, make sure you know there's no residue left. I'm gonna be using right now, it's called the Bulldog adhesion promoter. So we're gonna be painting this with this. So in other words, why I'm using this, so that the paints can actually stick on the plastic. That's how I'm gonna be using this, guys. Adhesion promoter. So I'm gonna be using my gun. So why I do that, right? So guys, so guys, we got the paint ready. We've already had the reducer and the paint together. We already mixed them together, so they're super ready right now. So now they just start painting. But before you paint, I want to cover my nose so I can protect myself, you know. So guys, we're ready right now. But this is the first coat, so we're going to apply the second coat to it, right? This is the first coat, we're going to apply the second coat to make sure, you know, the paint is actually perfect, all right? Guys, the old damaged bumper is out. Now we're going to be installing the new bumper right now. So guys, like I said, this is going to be a quick project. It's not something should take long. The bumper has already been painted. I just got to mount it back on it. All right guys, just join me. By the time I'm done, I'm gonna let you guys see the end result of the car, what I actually done to it. All right guys, as you can see, the new bumper is back on it. So all I just gotta do, couple everything back up, like all the bolt that is missing, put them back together, and that's it. Super simple. That's easy money, a side hustle I just made real quick just now. So the bumper is back on it, guys. So everything already coupled, everything lined up. So by the time I'm done, I couple of everything, and we'll go from there, guys. So the car is done. Done with it. I changed the front bumper. And also I changed the rear bumper as well, so you can see it right there. So that's easy. So guys, if you're new to this channel, please kindly consider to subscribe, please comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.